Hello everyone, it is Susan here and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Roxy's Journal of Stitchery challenge that is going on, and this is going to be my May block that I'm going to put in my journal. And I have both Rachel and Sarah's YouTube video links below, so please make sure to check them out. Okay, so nothing is sewn on here. It's just all placed here. So we are going to start some sewing, but let me share with you what I did or what I'm going to do. So this heart is a brooch that I actually purchased. It's a vintage quilt brooch that I ordered from Genealogy on Etsy, and it's hard. I don't know what they put on it, but it's hard. And so I'm going to use it because I really like it. I think the colors are just like perfect. So I'm going to leave it as a brooch and I will just be pinning it on. This eyelet will end up on this side of it because this is the spine side of my page. And so that's going to be the side that, you know, hangs out. I'm just going to remove that. And yeah, so I have on here this piece of fabric. I put everything onto linen napkins, so that's the actual base of my page. I have a little pink button that I want to put on there. This is gonna go on here. This little bird, oh my gosh, let me tell you about the bird. I stuffed the bird with, whoops, what's this? With this, which was from my grandmother or my aunt. So I stuffed the bird, but how I got the bird was I used this stamp and I stamped it on this fabric and I cut it out. So it looked like this, right? So I cut it out and yeah, so as I was sewing it onto this block, or onto this little piece, this pink piece of fabric right here, it got a little poofy. I didn't mean for it to get poofy, but it got poofy. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and I will stuff it. So I stuffed it and it's super cute. It's a cute little birdie. He's fat. Yeah. Oh yeah. So, you know, they got the little feet going on there. So yeah. Yeah. So I love the bird. And then I have another piece of fabric down on the bottom, the white and the pink. I have lace. I have a little piece that's gonna get sewn over here, which is separate than this piece. And I have these pieces down here. I have a piece of lace. I have a label, and I have this little flower. So today, oh, and I thought I might pull in these little beads. I'm not sure where. I like them. I think that they're a really good color for this. So I thought I might pull them in. And I also have this little beaded heart. It's just a little thing. Yeah, so we'll see. And I was really trying to decide on whether I wanted this here, which is pretty, and it matches really well for the fabric up on top. But when I put this here, it kind of pulled the whole page together. So I'm going to stick with that and use that. Now, I do want to mention that I am having a giveaway going on this month. And the prizes, I have 4 prizes, 3 of them being slow stitch pieces that I've sewn. And then another one is a small paper bag journal that I made. And this morning I finished this one piece. So this is one of the prizes. And so it's actually a wall hanging, so you can put a dowel or whatever through here to hang it on the wall. if you would like. In fact, all three of the slow stitch pieces that I have are all wall hangings, if that's how you choose to use them. Isn't that cute? That's cute. So this is one of the prizes for the giveaway. I'll put the link to the giveaway right in my description box. You can go check out the video. There's multiple ways to enter. Now for sewing the bird down, we're just going to go ahead and do another straight stitch. I decided to fold the top of it down just a little bit so that I could pull it up a little bit so we could see his feet. Okay, so next week I'll come back and we will finish up adding all the extra little pieces on here. I think it looks good. A lot of straight stitching going on. Little button, my little fat bird. Got some pretty French knots going on here, right? A little label, a little flower, some lace. Yeah. So next week we'll come back and finish this up. And sorry for the hoarse throat today. So sorry. Okay. All right. Thanks so much for being here, everybody. See you next Wednesday. And please check out my giveaway video in the description box below. Thank you.